ANC Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated is a contracting company providing heating, air conditioning, hearth and fireplace sales and service to its customers throughout the southern tier of New York and northeast Pennsylvania. We offer 2-hour service, instant financing, residential and commercial service. We service all makes and models of fireplaces that are wood, gas, coal, and coin operated. We have the largest showroom in the area with working displays, and we've been in business since 1963.
We're available 24 hours. Call us today at 607-744-6467
or visit us at www.justcallanc.com. This video is brought to you by Haynes Local Search, assisting local businesses with online and print advertising solutions. Call us today.